We're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and this is our Trickers stand here, and Trickers are probably the best heavy country boot in the world. If you want a heavy country shoe or boot, Trickers, it's number one for that. Now some customers occasionally question about the storm welt or the split welt on your Trickers, about how it rolls down a little bit, this top edge on the storm welt, split welt. We like to call it a storm welt, the idea being that water and mud that washes up here will be saved from getting down into the boot because of this storm welt here. And occasionally you will see the storm welt where it rides back. It's not stuck up here, it's just up here with its own strength really, and it just occasionally, when it gets old, it will roll down a little bit. Sometimes you see it on a new boot and you can just roll it down, you can push it up and you can see it's not polished behind there, and it's probably on all of these boots here. Here it is on a Molten as well. Look, I can pull that edge down, and it's making a tight seal in there, but there is a little bit of an edge at the top, and it's part and parcel of the look of a Tricker boot, that big nice chunky storm welt. Now that little bit there, it doesn't really want to be attached to the boot. You can run a little bit of Evo stick round there and push it up and leave it there, and it will encourage it to stay up there, but it won't permanently stay up there, and it's not meant to. It can roll over a little bit on an older boot, it can come away, you can get a little bit of polish behind it if you want to, so you can discolour it, but it's nothing to worry about. It's only the aesthetics of it that might bother you. But this is a big heavy country boot, so a little bit of that being slightly out of shape shouldn't really worry you. It's nothing bad about the boot, it's just as the boots are, and that top of that storm welt there should really be loose.